Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Today I have a grand surprise for you. Why the surprise is grand? Because it's 1000 square meters. We have plenty of machine orders recently. We have lots of new machine projects. We have lots of new developments of the machines. That's why we needed a much bigger space than the factory we are using now. You know, Istanbul is booming, lots of production, lots of people coming in, coming out. That's why it's a little bit tricky to find a good production place. That's why we were looking for such place since several months. But finally we find a great place for our production. That's the ground floor of new Bulunmaz machine factory. That's directly entrance from the street. You can drive your car in, you can bring your machines, you can take out the machines, and that's a wonderful elevator for lifting the heavy items, heavy machines. We can carry machines up and down here. In this floor, we're gonna be producing our rough parts. What means rough parts? Here, these machines, CNC milling machine, CNC lathe machine, there are more coming in. We are making from bulk items, really big aluminum, iron pieces into finished, semi-finished, almost finished. Finally, the rough parts come out of from these high-tech CNC machines, and these are the mechanical machines which we give the last touch, because everything is not technology. You also need lots of skilled workforce, which we have plenty of them. So when the main parts come, we check them, and if there are some differences in the sizes, if something we don't like, we put these mechanical milling and lathe machines to give the last touch. Welcome to the second floor of the new Bulunmaz machine factory. That floor is dedicated to the assembly, which is the critical, most important part of our machines. When the rough parts of machines come from the first floor, from the production, they get their final sizing and end up in the second floor for the assembly. What means assembly? Here our machine bodies come ready from our supplier of the empty body of the machines. Then we start assembling the precision parts inside the CNC machines. As I just mentioned you, we have plenty of orders of CNC machines. That's why these empty bodies has just arrived to the factory. As soon as we complete the moving in process, we're gonna start assembling of these beautiful, wonderful CNC machines. Not just CNC machines, but we also manufacture here our mechanical machines, faceting machine, jewelry lathe. I'm gonna put links of all these machines so you can get better idea of our product line. Here you see semi-product bodies of the lathe machines. These are these pieces produced and painted, and they're gonna be a finished jewelry lathe soon. And here is another empty Bengal master. That's gonna be 8 axis, 10 axis, 11 axis or 12 axis Bengal master. The body is same standard, but the construction's gonna be completed depending on the orders of our customers. Finally, we got the third floor of our new factory. That's another space which is around 300 square meters, and that floor is dedicated to R&D and the office work. The R&D resource and development is one of the most important parts of our production. That's why we're gonna build a R&D space here in this place, which is pretty safe, away from our competitors, away from the curious eyes, you know. And that will be a silent place for our engineers to work on new projects, new machines. Right beside the R&D place we are planning, we're gonna have our admin offices, our accountant, production manager, our other managers here, all gonna be dedicated to the offices, so our experienced staff can work easily, hassle-free. And that beautiful place in front of the third floor is our showroom. That showroom is dedicated to the machines, for showing to our customers, for training to our customers. You can find here lots of samples, serious discussions with our customers, training processes with our engineers, with our customers. All can be done in this beautiful place. That's a silent place that will boost your productivity. And final surprise of that vlog, let me show you the most interesting part of this factory. That's much more than a factory. There are people here, there will be customers coming in, there will be our engineers who need fresh ideas. That's why we got this wonderful space. That balcony is dedicated to our engineers, customers, all our staff. That's a hangout area. Whenever you are in Istanbul, if you have chance to visit our new Bulunmaz machine factory, you are always welcome to the factory, to the balcony, to hang out together to discuss about our products and about the life. I hope you are enjoying our YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying the great developments in our company in Bulunmaz. Thank you so much for supporting us. Don't forget, whenever you subscribe our channel, that's a great support for us. See you again in the next videos.